This coverage of SHOT Show 2024 is brought to you by 3 Nights. SHOT Show 2024 here at the Benchmade booth with Brady. He's going to run us through a bunch of different knives. We got kind of more on the EDC side, then more the outdoor side, and then more the hunting side. So this will probably be broken up into at least 2, maybe 3 videos. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we can start. Why don't we start with the Valys? So this is a new Valys song that we're introducing. You know, a lot of Benchmade peeps out there know that the company was founded on Valys songs, hence the butterfly logo. So we have 3 colorways here. These are G10 handles. The cool thing about these Valys is they're pretty customizable. You can add tungsten weights to each handle to kind of, have more weight or less weight on your personal preference. We also have a milled kind of diamond etched piece here so that you know which is the safe handle since it's latchless. But these are really cool. I'm super pumped that we're bringing Valys back. There's the 3 colorways.
Make you go back and forth since you're doing it.
Next, last year we had a lot of hype around this new knife that we introduced, the Narrows. So this knife has titanium handles or scales. It's also on ball bearings, so it's super smooth. This is M390 steel. The cool thing about this knife is just, I mean, look at this action. Next, we got 2 new kind of colorways for our mini Bugout and full-size Bugout. So you have kind of a cream-colored scale with some gold accents. These will come with S30V blade steel. On our mini Bugout, we have this kind of crushed silver Cerakote, which is super new, and it really pops in person. I don't know if it'll be too crazy to see on the camera, but it's a cool color.
And those are S30V, you said?
Yep, both S30V. This is our, as a lot of you probably know, we do a SHOT Show knife every year. So for dealers, if they place an order with $5,000, every $5,000 they get one of these.
Are those available to anybody else, or just SHOT Show, just dealers?
So it's just for dealers during SHOT Show when orders are placed. A lot of dealers will put these on their site once we ship these out. And, yeah. Here's the North Fork. We kind of just did a little bit of revisions to it. Got an orange back spacer. Did a little bit different milling on the handle here. This is also S30V. We got some nice jimping. For our gold class this year, we're doing it off of the Immunity family. So this is a knife that we designed around the time of COVID, hence the name Immunity. Our design team likes to throw little Easter eggs in sometimes, and if you look real close, there's a COVID molecule on the D-nut there. We got a Damascus blade, Damasteel, and then carbon fiber scales. Super cool. And then for this row, the last kind of 2 we got that seem to be pretty popular here at the booth. The 710 was a knife that we discontinued. It was one of the first knives that we offered the Axis lock. They were both designed by McHenry & Williams. So we're kind of, paying homage to this super rad knife and kind of relaunching it, right? So these are aluminum scales, handles. So this one is in S90V, and this one is in MagnaCut. This one will be more of a limited run. Super awesome.
I want to give a big shout out to ThruNight who made this trip possible. So I've been carrying only ThruNight flashlights for SHOT Show 2024. If you know ThruNight, they've got budget-friendly lights. They've got lights from the most compact to full-size throwers. A wide variety of options available. Check out the links down in the description below for more from ThruNight to make a solid light.